Writing memorable characters in scriptwriting and screenwriting. Hello, future scriptwriters and screenwriters. Welcome back to our creative writing series. Today we're going to explore character development in scriptwriting and screenwriting. It's a fascinating topic, and by the end of this video, you'll have a much better grasp on how to craft compelling characters for your own scripts. Character development is the process of creating a detailed and complex fictional character for a story. In scriptwriting and screenwriting, this involves crafting characters that not only propel the story forward but also engage the audience's emotions and interest. This can include their backstory, personality, motivations, growth over time, and interactions with other characters. In scriptwriting and screenwriting, character development is paramount. Scripts are predominantly dialogue-driven, so well-rounded, realistic characters are necessary to carry the story. Characters often drive the plot, influence the theme, and dictate the overall tone of the script. Without well-developed characters, your script may feel flat and fail to engage the audience. Developing characters for scripts involves several steps. 1. Character backstory. Even though it may not appear in the script, knowing your character's past can shape their personality and actions. 2. Character motivations and goals. This drives your character's actions and gives them a purpose in your story. 3. Character dialogue. Your character's dialogue should reflect their personalities and backgrounds. 4. Character arc. This is how your character changes over time. It's a crucial component of any script and provides depth to your characters. 5. Interaction with other characters. Characters don't exist in isolation. How they interact with others can reveal a lot about them. Let's take a look at a classic movie, Star Wars: A New Hope. Luke Skywalker begins as a farm boy dreaming of adventure. His character arc, driven by his backstory, motivations, interactions, and dialogue, turns him into a Jedi Knight by the end of the movie. This character development enhances the film's plot and overall theme. Character development in scriptwriting and screenwriting is an art. But with understanding and practice, you can create memorable characters that will captivate your audience. Remember, your characters are the heart of your story, so invest time in developing them. That's it for this video. Keep practicing, and may your characters come alive in your scripts.